Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your smartwatch. First, ensure your new device is fully charged. A 2-hour initial charge is often recommended. Next, locate and download the official companion application from your smartphone's app store. This app is essential for managing your watch's features. Finally, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on and discoverable, preparing it for the pairing process. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth connection. Now, let's pair your smartwatch. Open the companion application you just downloaded. You might need to create a new user account or login. Within the app, look for an option like Add Device or Pair New Watch. The app will then scan for nearby smartwatches. Select your specific model from the list that appears on your phone screen. Confirm any pairing requests on both your phone and the watch to establish the connection. Once paired, the app will guide you through granting essential permissions, such as access to notifications and location services. This ensures all features work correctly. Take some time to personalize your watch face, set up your preferred notification alerts, and configure health tracking preferences. Your smartwatch can now monitor your heart rate, count your steps, and provide many other useful functions directly from your wrist. Enjoy exploring its capabilities. If you encounter any connection difficulties, a simple restart of both your smartphone and smartwatch often resolves common issues. Always check the companion app for available firmware updates, as these can improve performance and stability. For optimal connectivity, keep your phone and watch within a close range, typically about 10 meters or 33 feet. If problems persist, consult the user manual or the manufacturer's support for further assistance. Happy smart watching!
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.